culture and education goes. So putting it out into the world is going to be your first way that you change industries and change businesses. You need to make sure that people know that you're interested in this business and for a certain reason. So, how do you get your foot in the door of a cannabis business, even if it's a step back, is by taking a look, knowing what you do well or want to be doing, what your career profile already looks like, and sort of tweaking it and building this bridge into what that means as far as a cannabis business. So it's entirely possible. And again, there might be this more of a mental block for you understanding that this is totally possible. So again, whoever asked this question, you seem to be over this idea that you can do it or can't do it, right? You know that you can. So if you're willing to take a step back, that means a lot to a cannabis company, because what you're going to be bringing to them is going to be valuable. And you're proving your commitment, you're proving your interest, you're proving your curiosity. So that means a lot. And if you're willing to do this, that commitment is going to probably pay off for you in the long run, because you're already willing to take this step back now. And as this industry rolls out, and as businesses grow and states grow, and more ancillary businesses come up around the idea of cannabis, then you are going to be somebody who is in the early stages of the industry. So if you feel like you're late to the game, you are not. Last year, the industry brought in around $30 billion. This year, it's expected to reach $34 billion. And once again, as individual states roll out, these numbers of careers and number of people working in the industry and number of dollars flooding into this industry is just going to grow and grow. So if you think that you're too late to the game, you are not. You are still, if you're sitting right here and you're interested now, you are one of the early adopters.